Hello, lovely people. Welcome to Akuse's Tasty Recipe. I hope you're all doing well. Okay, so if you're a fruit lover, I think this recipe is for you. So for today, I will be sharing with you how I make my fruit salad. Yes, very nutritious and creamy. Let's get started. These are the list of ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is to wash the fruit. So I added about a half tablespoon of salt, and then you just add your tap water, and then make sure to wash your fruit very well. I will be doing it twice just to remove all the dirt from the fruit. Okay, so once I'm done, I'll go ahead and then cut my fruit into the size or shapes that I want. Okay, so with this recipe, you can choose any fruit of your choice. So I'm using strawberry, banana, grapes, kiwi, and then mango. Okay, so once I'm done with the fruit, I'll go ahead and then mix my fruit. So I'll be using about 1 cup of plain yogurt or Greek yogurt. Yes, then I'll add about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. You can also use lime juice, and then I'll add 2 tablespoons of raw honey. You can also use the wild honey, anyone that you prefer. Some people use condensed milk, but I think you want to stay healthy and then go the healthy option, then honey is the best. Yes, so mix everything together and then add it to your fruit. Then make sure it's well tossed or mixed. Another thing is that don't add too much honey or the condensed milk or any sweetener that you'll be using, because the fruits are already sweet, like banana, mango, kiwi. They are very sweet, so you lessen how much you add the sweetener that you will go for. Okay, so once everything goes in, you mix all together and then it's ready to be served. That's it. It's great for breakfast or dessert, anything or anytime that you want to have this. It's a very great option. You can also add some chai seeds if you want. Yes, so it's ready, and then I'm going to have some for myself. Yes, I really love it because it's very healthy and very filling. When you eat this in the morning, I think you can stay up till lunch without snacking. Okay, if you're also cutting down some calories or watching your diet, I think this is a great recipe for you. All right, I hope you like this video. Please, if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Please stay tuned for more and great recipes. All right, so that's the end of this recipe. I will leave you guys here and then enjoy my fruit salad. Stay tuned for more recipes. Please have a lovely holiday and then keep safe. Okay, bye for now.